Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a dummy data generator and use that to generate some dummy data and make sure to have that result set in SQL query. Now this is a bit of complex and I don't know how much of that would be successful, but we are going to give it a shot. So go to OpenAI, sign up for ChatGPT, and you will have dashboard that looks like this. When you click on new chat, you will have a prompt at the bottom that looks like this. Right now here I'll be typing out my complex query. Right, first thing you'll do, I want you to act as a dummy data generator. Generate 10 lines of following data, where I can give ID, name, age, profession, company, and salary. Right, make sure that you generate SQL query for this data, assuming people as a table name, and use the SQL queries to create this table first, then add the insert queries, then show the insert queries that are used to add the dummy data into this table. Right now, make sure to have the headers in this table as column name. Right, another thing, make sure to have your result as SQL query for this dummy data. Hopefully I got the queries right. Now let's hit and find out whether we have everything properly set up. It is taking a bit of time, so I don't know if it understood my queries. Okay, so it got it. So it is first creating a table, ID, name, age, profession, company, salary. So it created that. Now here are 10 lines of dummy data. There you go. Insert into people for first, second, and so on. So it managed to do this on its own in a much better way than human could in short amount of time. So I can't imagine typing all of this in under 10 minutes or so. And look at it, it is now typing way faster, and we didn't even past like 1 minute. Right, so we have our table created first, right? Then we managed to put up insert queries. Right now here we can see the 10 lines of dummy data formatted as SQL insert queries. Now we can narrow this down a bit. I want age of these people into range of 25 to 65. They need to be in technical position. They need to be in salary range of 25 to 85,000, right? And also they need to be in companies which are not Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, etc. Right? And we will refine the query using the above SQL queries as input. You can refine the result as following. Limit the age range from 25 to 65. Use profession field for technical professions only. Make sure to use Delaware based LLC companies as a name of the company. Avoid Facebook, Amazon, Google, Netflix, Apple as company names, right? And also we managed to have salary. Make sure to have salary in the range from 25 to 85,000. Let's hit and find out the result. And there you go. Here we will be. Here is an example of SQL query to generate the desired data. So it is not reading it correctly. Instead, it is allowing me to filter that, right? So what we can do here is I will just use my previous dummy data where I can see using above generated data, make sure to limit age range. Now this looks much better now. Let me paste it here. Using above generated data, make sure to limit the age range from 25 to 65. Make sure to limit the profession to technical positions only. Let's make it rewrite the above queries, right? That way it will understand. Make sure to limit the age range from 25 to 65 and so on. Simply hit enter and there we go. So here we will have new data set. There you go. Okay, you have like bunch of options for companies as well, because here we have randomness added. Okay, it is now going a lot better now. Okay, so select from technical people, it will kind of rewrites the data, but however it is trying to cheat here because it is not trying to find new companies. Here you see only we are restricted to 5 or so. Here we will have to give it more constraint, like go more deeper with new names for each person. Also their salary should be random, that's fine. New names and also different technical position which are unique and not repeated. So like this you can go ahead, make a dummy data with SQL as its format. You can experiment around with ChatGPT.